Hey guys, so I'm going to show you the best way to take apart a walk-behind lawnmower. See if that looks okay. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a bunch of wrenches because you should really have just a better ton of wrenches than I have right now. But what I have, I'm gonna add these wrenches. So what's wrong with this Husqvarna is there's dust in the fuel tank and the air filter. As you can see here is missing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking this thing apart today. I'm gonna try and use one of these wrenches. I don't even really know if it's gonna work or not. Hope one of these will work. Okay, this one now. I have an adjustable one if I need it. It's too big. Oh, never mind. I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking this thing off over here. Hang on, I'll turn this thing around so you can see it. This is a Husqvarna I got about 4 years ago. It's the oldest walk-behind mower we've ever had, and the first walk-behind mower family that we've ever had. So it's pretty nice. It does a good job. Not as good as my 22-inch Toro I have. This is only a 21, so it's a little bit smaller. I'm gonna try to get this at some point. That last wrench I have. Hope this one will fit. No, it's still too big. Take off. Here's my adjustable one that I have. Uh-oh. See if this one will work. Yeah. Try the other side. This one's really on here. There we go. I just recently put this tarp down here because for this thing. Okay, we got in here. I'll give you guys a closer look. See, it's all dirty and mucky. It's the carburetor bowl. I'll see if it's rusty in there. I'll probably try and open it. See if it's rusty in there. Everything. So that is the best way to take your air filter apart. If you ever do this is the best way. And if you have any other projects you need all me making other videos on why I fix this mower. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Win the Landscape Mower owner. There's a lot of more things out there than just fixing videos. I have my own landscaping business, and I'll see you in my next video.